What's up guys, Mike here, and today we are installing the Bosman Designs Honda Talon front bumper. So I decided to go with the Bosman Design front bumper because it sits really tight to the Talon, and in my current predicament I just don't have a lot of room in my trailers and such, so I really have to stack them tight. So I thought this was a good solution to give us a little bit more protection up front, probably hopefully a lot more protection up front, but then also to make sure that it's not impeding into kind of my area that I need for my other Talon as well. So right now I stack them tire to tire, and if I take off the heat shield, it's not an issue for the red one to go behind this guy. So anyway, now this bumper is pretty darn cool. So it's set up for a winch. I'm not putting a winch on this Talon, but it's set up for it. Kind of the universal brackets for it. The Fairlead mount. It does give you the option to have the rings put on the front, so you can put shackles on the front of these guys if you want. Again, I opted not to do that because I need the room, as much room as possible, so even a few inches is kind of too much to give away. And so we're gonna go ahead and get her installed and see what she looks like. As you can see today, I've got a little helper. She's gonna be helping me put on the bumper. What do you think of the bumper? Good? It's
beautiful.
It's beautiful? Mm-hmm. I think it's beautiful too.
It's like shiny but also gorgeous.
Yep, shiny and gorgeous. That's all you need to know. So we're gonna go ahead and get this bad boy put on and see how she mounts up, and then also the most important thing, how close the blue is to the stock blue. Always my number one concern.
I'm back. I just got to get a snack.
Needed a snack?
I was hungry, pretty hungry.
As you do.
I'm always hungry when I make videos.
Okay, time to upgrade.
Weird.
What do you think of that blue? Is it the same?
Yeah, it's pretty the same.
Yeah, that is really close. So definitely the blue checks off.
Hey Dad, it came with some stickers.
Stickers?
Yeah, we could put stickers on.
You love stickers.
I just put it on my forehead.
On your forehead? What did it come with?
2 stickers.
Nice. Where are you going to put them?
On there.
On the Talon?
Yeah.
Okay.
These are what they're for.
To put on the Talon? You're probably right. A stock bumper, it's got these square channels that goes in here, so it's got a seat that the square channel goes into. But the Bosman just has flat tabs, so they give you these little spacers to put in there to keep the pressure still in that little square saddle. So make sure you put those in. What are you doing?
Massaging my feet.
You're massaging your feet?
Yeah.
I don't think that's what that tool's for.
Maybe it's for.
Maybe. Well, the first side went on great, but this side is getting pinched in that channel, so I'm just going to use a dowel and a rubber mallet to kind of change its mind about not fitting. So when I was putting the one of the back ones on, the nut that actually should be welded onto the frame busted the weld off and came off. So that's kind of interesting. I wasn't even torquing on it yet or doing anything. I was just trying to hand tighten it in there. Barely went with the socket to make sure I wasn't cross-threaded, and it popped right off. The bumper is on. It doesn't get much easier than that. I fought with that one spacer a little bit, but nothing exciting. This probably took us what? How long did it take us?
5 minutes.
5 minutes? 5 minutes tops to put this bumper on. So super, super easy project. If you can brush your teeth, you can install this bumper. No problem. I love the way it looks. Do you like it?
Mm-hmm. It's the same color.
Yep, it's the exact same color. Everything looks good. Hey, you want to know the coolest part?
What?
Is that they put a screwdriver holders up top here, so you don't lose your screwdriver. So that's a cool feature.
Not this one.
Not that one. Just little screwdrivers.
Maybe.
There you go. Perfect. So now we've got a place to store our screwdrivers and scratch the powder coat on the bumper. So very exciting stuff.
It's a great idea.
It is a great idea, but I'm getting hungry. Are you hungry?
Well, I have snacks.
You always have snacks. What should we eat? Tacos? Tacos. Tacos.